welcome to the future of luxury travel. Today, we're stepping inside a motorhome unlike anything you've ever seen before. A true mansion on wheels that combines cutting-edge design, technology, and comfort in one stunning package. Exterior tour. From the outside, this futuristic motorhome commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic curves, panoramic windows, and a bold multi-axle design for stability and strength. Standing nearly 13 feet tall and stretching over 45 feet in length, this is no ordinary RV. The smooth white body is accented by deep black detailing, while its massive alloy wheels and chrome finish give it a striking road presence. Equipped with automated steps, concealed storage bays, and ambient LED lighting, every inch of the exterior has been designed for style and function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury residence on wheels. Interior tour, living area. As we step inside, the first thing that strikes you is the sense of space. High ceilings, natural light streaming through oversized windows, and an open-plan design create a true home-like atmosphere. The living area is fitted with plush leather seating, a retractable smart TV, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. Modern LED lighting accents the walls and ceiling, while the premium wood finish adds warmth and elegance. Kitchen and dining. Moving forward, the kitchen is a chef's dream. Solid surface countertops, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator make preparing meals effortless. Storage is cleverly integrated into every corner, ensuring both practicality and beauty. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers space for family or friends, complete with designer chairs and a fold-out dining table. Bedrooms and bathrooms. Heading upstairs, you'll find the master suite. A king-sized bed, panoramic skylights, and hidden storage create a sanctuary of comfort. Built-in wardrobes and smart lighting bring the feeling of a five-star hotel wherever you go. The bathroom is equally luxurious, with a rainfall shower, porcelain sink, and high-end fixtures. Some layouts even include a second bathroom, ensuring convenience for all passengers. Technology and comfort. This motorhome is equipped with the latest in smart technology. Touchscreen control panels allow you to manage climate, lighting, and entertainment with a single tap. Satellite internet, solar panels, and a powerful battery system ensure you can stay connected and off-grid for days at a time. Comfort is further enhanced with multiple climate zones, underfloor heating, and advanced insulation for year-round travel. Performance and utility. Underneath the luxury lies incredible power. A diesel engine with over 500 horsepower propels this giant with ease, while air suspension delivers a smooth ride. Massive fuel tanks, along with fresh and gray water storage, ensure long journeys without compromise. This is engineering and design at its finest. Price and conclusion. And the price? Depending on customization, this futuristic motorhome ranges from $700,000 to over $1.2 million. It is more than a vehicle, it is a lifestyle statement. A perfect blend of freedom and luxury, this is the future of travel. Would you live in a motorhome like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible luxury tours. Until next time, happy travel!